Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of women's sexual fantasies. You know, those secret desires that make their hearts race and their bodies tingle with anticipation. We're going to explore the fantasies that ignite passion, fuel desire, and leave you wanting more. Because let's be honest, a little fantasy can go a long way in the bedroom. So whether you're a partner eager to understand your lover better, buckle up. This is going to be a wild, eye-opening ride. Fantasy number 1. Dominance and submission. Power play. Now let's talk about a fantasy that's been setting hearts on fire for generations. Dominance and submission. This dynamic is not just about control, but about a deep connection and trust between partners. It's all about letting go of your inhibitions and allowing yourself to be vulnerable. You see, many women fantasize about surrendering control, about having a partner who takes charge and leads them on a journey of sensual exploration. This isn't about weakness, but about finding strength in trust. It's about trusting your partner completely and letting them fulfill your deepest desires. And for the partner taking the reins, it's about power, yes, but also about responsibility. It's about understanding your partner's needs and desires, about reading their body language, and knowing exactly how to bring them pleasure. It's a skill that requires patience and attentiveness. Now, this doesn't have to involve whips and chains, unless that's what you're into, of course. It can be as simple or as elaborate as you both desire. It can be as simple as letting your partner choose the activity, set the pace, or even just whisper instructions in your ear. The key is the mutual enjoyment and connection. It's about creating a dynamic where one partner surrenders to the other, and trust me, that kind of surrender can be incredibly liberating and exciting. It opens up new avenues of intimacy and pleasure. Talk to your partner, explore your limits together, and see where this fantasy takes you. The journey can be as thrilling as the destination. You might be surprised at the depths of passion you uncover. Fantasy number 2, being desired and pursued. Let's be honest, ladies, who doesn't love to feel desired? To know that you are the object of someone's affection, that they can't get enough of you? It's intoxicating. This fantasy is all about feeling irresistible, about being pursued with passion and intensity. It's about being showered with compliments, stolen glances, and touches that linger just a little too long. Imagine this. You're at a crowded party, and across the room, you catch the eye of someone intriguing. Their gaze lingers on you, sending shivers down your spine. They approach you, their eyes filled with admiration, and engage you in conversation, making you feel like you're the only woman in the room. The fantasy of being desired and pursued is about feeling special, cherished, and utterly captivating. It's about tapping into that primal desire to be wanted, to be the center of someone's universe, even if it's just for a night. And let me tell you, this fantasy isn't just about physical attraction, it's about feeling seen, appreciated, and desired for who you are, both inside and out. Fantasy number 3. Public or risky encounters. These moments are filled with an electrifying mix of excitement and fear, making your heart race and your senses tingle. There's something incredibly thrilling about the idea of getting caught, of indulging in your desires in a place where you could be found out. The risk factor adds an extra layer of intensity to your connection, making every touch and glance more meaningful. It's about pushing boundaries, taking risks, and experiencing the rush of adrenaline that comes with it. Whether it's a stolen kiss in a hidden corner or a daring touch in a crowded place, these encounters are unforgettable. Imagine this. You're at a movie theater and the lights are dim. The air is thick with anticipation, and the movie on the screen is just a backdrop to the real action happening between you two. You and your partner steal glances, your hands brushing in the darkness. Each touch sends shivers down your spine, heightening the sense of secrecy and excitement. The tension builds, and suddenly you're lost in a passionate kiss, the outside world fading away. It's just the two of you, wrapped in a bubble of desire and thrill. Public encounters are all about embracing spontaneity, living in the moment, and experiencing the thrill of the forbidden. It's about breaking free from the mundane and diving into the extraordinary. It's about adding a dash of spice to your love life and creating memories that will last a lifetime. These moments become stories you'll cherish and laugh about together. Before moving on, if you're finding any value in this video, all I ask is for a quick like and subscribe. Your support means the world to me. Fantasy number 4. Forbidden affairs and taboo relationships. Delving into a fantasy that's a little bit controversial, forbidden affairs and taboo relationships. The allure of the forbidden has always been a powerful aphrodisiac. There's something about breaking societal norms, about indulging in desires that are considered off-limits, that can be incredibly intoxicating. It might be the fantasy of a passionate affair with a mysterious stranger, a forbidden romance with someone from a different social circle, or even the excitement of exploring a relationship that challenges conventional boundaries. These fantasies often tap into our desire for something different, something outside the realm of our everyday lives. They represent a break from the mundane, a chance to explore our wilder, more uninhibited selves. Fantasy number 5, soft to rough transitions in bed. Let's talk about a fantasy that combines tenderness with intensity, the transition from soft to rough play in the bedroom. This fantasy is all about experiencing the full spectrum of sensual pleasure, from gentle caresses and whispered words to more passionate, even primal expressions of desire. Imagine this. It begins with slow, sensual kisses, your fingers intertwined. Your partner's touch is gentle, exploring every curve of your body with reverence. The atmosphere is charged with anticipation as the intensity slowly builds. Then, as passion takes over, the kisses become deeper, the caresses more insistent. There's a delicious thrill in feeling that shift, in surrendering to the wave of desire that washes over you. This fantasy is about embracing the duality of pleasure, the interplay between tenderness and intensity. Talk to your partner about what feels good, what you're comfortable with, and how you can explore this fantasy together in a way that's both exciting and safe. Fantasy number 6, complete surrender, sensory deprivation, blindfolds, bondage. This is for those who crave a deeper level of intimacy, who want to experience their senses in a whole new way. It's about pushing boundaries and discovering new dimensions of pleasure and connection. Imagine this. You close your eyes as your partner gently blindfolds you. The anticipation builds, and you feel a rush of excitement as your vision fades. The world outside fades away, and suddenly, your other senses are heightened. Every sound becomes clearer, every touch more electric. Every touch, every sound, every scent becomes more intense, more exhilarating. It's like discovering a new world within the familiar. Or perhaps you're exploring light bondage, allowing your partner to gently restrain your wrists, tying a silk scarf around your eyes. The sensation of being held can be both thrilling and comforting. The feeling of being held, of surrendering control, can be incredibly liberating, allowing you to fully embrace the sensations of the moment. It's a dance of trust and vulnerability. This fantasy is about trust, about letting go of inhibitions and allowing yourself to be completely vulnerable with your partner. Open dialogue and mutual respect are key to a fulfilling experience. Remember, fantasies are a healthy and natural part of our sexuality. They allow us to explore our desires, to tap into our sensuality, and to add a little spice to our love lives. Whether you're eager to try something new or simply want to understand your partner better, I encourage you to embrace your fantasies and to communicate openly and honestly with each other. If you enjoyed this journey, share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, stay playful, and most importantly, stay sexy.